remotion just changed the video generation or animated video generation game in a way. Now you can vibe code a video. Uh, so what is remotion? Remotion is a library of React components that can be used to create animation. Uh, Basically, in animation, each frame is created by React components, and its movements, its timing, and every transition is controlled through code because in remotion. So that makes it a very powerful tool, uh, but it is 10 times more powerful when you connect it with a agentic IDE like Claude Code or Gemini or anything. So basically, because there is in any uh, generative AI video, there is this non-determinism. There is always because we cannot make sure that everything is correct and perfect all the time. But in here, because it's emotion, because it is these are React components at the end of the day, and these are code at the end of the day. It is very easy to control them, and you can control each frame, and you can control each pixel, and you can create almost any kind of animation that you can think of with React components. So, and because these agentic IDs are great with code, they can also create uh, animated videos now. So I mean, it's a huge leap forward, and especially for product videos and animations and explainers and whatnot. People are just exploring what can be done with it. Um, so this is what this is what people are up to right now. People are creating amazing animations and videos with it. So I'm just gonna show you the first thing that they shared, and it blew the internet up. So yeah, this everything here has been created by Claude Code and with the remotion skill. So basically, they launched a skill, and it tells the IDE that how to use remotion in depth. Like they are not just guessing anymore. They know exactly what happens and what not. They can control each second, each microsecond, each transition, each movement of every pixel, and that makes it super powerful thing. Uh, so another thing that blew up after they launched this is by Butoshi, sorry. He has this. He just improved on the whole workflow, and he has this assets. He has a range of assets for his own project, and he gave access to the browser. The Claude had access to the browser, and it could see exactly where how these assets look, and then he asked it to create a video for its game. So this is how it looks. I mean, this is mind blowing. Everything you see here has been created with Remotion and Claude Code. I mean, he just vibe coded this thing. So that is like this is opening up new opportunities, new windows for creating uh, generative AI videos, but they are not directly generative AI. They are like code, so generative code-based videos, which is a new paradigm in my opinion. So uh, let me just jump into the code and show you how to do something like this. So I've also played around with it, and there are a few things that I have created. Uh, so let me just, yeah, yeah, let's just have a look at this. Completely created out of emotion. It took me a few tries, but yeah, it just worked. Everything has been created with emotion. Yes, yeah. Yeah, this is what you're talking about. So let me just try to give you another demo, so you can also do the same. I'll just jump into anti-gravity and then yes. So I have Gemini ready for it, and I'm gonna just say uh, ask it to make another video for this project that I already have. Use the remotion skill uh, to create a product desk demo video, sort of using the exact components that we already have in the front end, and think like a visual designer, think like a graphic designer, and create a 30-second video using the remotion skill. Uh, Go so that it's like an explainer of the video webs of the app, and just make it dynamic. I use the same color, the brand colors, and use the similar language that we have in the landing page. Be thorough with your approach and design like a RAM motion designer. Yeah, RAM motion. I have to just change this. Yeah, so let's see how it does. So it is just going through the repo right now. It already has the skills. The skills are already added here, so should not be a problem. Should not take too much time. Let's see. So I am just trying to display showcase how good this generation is, because you could do much more with it. So you could do a thorough research before this. Uh, you could do storyboarding before this, because Ray Fernando and Butoshi just did their podcast on that, and they did extensive research and storyboarding on here in there. And I'm just trying to give you a quick demo on how things are working with these skills. You can go crazy with it. So I think it's done. It did take like 10 minutes, uh, and it has gone through this whole process of, you can see the code, you can see the claims. It has created the whole video, and you just have to render it. So I'm going to just go ahead and do that. Just gonna copy this, and yeah, let's see what it has done. Um, okay, okay, sorry. Go to my video. Directory. Let's see. This is just from that basic one single shot prompt. Yeah, it is doing its work. It is rendering, and yeah, it is about I think 30 seconds, 30 seconds of video from just one prompt. It was easier for it because the skills were there, and because Gemini is a very similar IDE like Claude. It has access to all the bash commands, and it can do its thing. It can play around. Yeah. So let's see. It is doing its thing. Hey, so it has done rendering and encoding and doing its thing, and the video is done. I'm just gonna play it for you guys. Um, please have a look. And this is amazing. It took the actual UI from the front end. Almost like there are flaws, but it is just from one shot, and it is just a real-time demo that it has made. Wow. It is even better than the one that I already had. I don't know. I'm just not mind blowing, and it is just for one prompt, and it could do so much better. Um, yeah. So this is quite crazy, and I'm just gonna like yeah, just almost out of words, and this this is the remotion skill, and I'm gonna leave the exact command so that you can add it to your IDE and play around with it, and see how it can you build and just share. And if you're a business owner and if you need such video demo videos, product videos for this, and or any AI automation project that you have, AI transformation project that you have, please uh, uh, leave a comment or share it, or send an email. I'm going to share my email with you on in the description. Yeah. So this is quite interesting. I guess everybody should try it out. Cheers. Peace out.